The NEC suite of contracts offers flexibility when it comes to choosing a payment mechanism, and this is set out under the main option clauses, which you can see on the screen now. In this video, we're delving into option C, target contract with activity schedule. Before we begin, if you're finding these videos useful, why not hit subscribe? We upload new content every Wednesday, tailored specifically for quantity surveyors. Under option C, the contractor proposes lump sum prices on an activity schedule that's agreed with the client. This becomes the target cost for the project, known as the prices. The contractor is then paid the defined cost plus fee, known as the price for work done to date, or PWDD for short. If the price for work done to date exceeds the prices, it's classed as overspend or pain, and if it comes in below, it's classed as underspend or gain. The pain or gain is then shared between both the contractor and the client. You can think of it as a middle ground between a lump sum contract, where the contractor bears the risk of overspend, and a cost plus contract, where the client carries the risk. With a target cost arrangement, both parties share the risk and reward. For example, let's imagine a contract with a flat 50-50 pain gain share arrangement. In scenario 1, the target cost is £1 million. But the final price for work done to date is £1.1 million. That's £100,000 over. So the overspend is then split 50-50, and the contractor is paid £1,050,000, taking a £50,000 hit on their margin. In scenario 2, the price for work done to date is £900,000, 100k under target. Similarly, the difference is split, and the contractor is paid £950,000, earning an extra 50k on top of their margin. Now, it's not always that simple. Along the way, there may be changes to scope or unforeseen issues that trigger compensation events, as detailed in clause 60. Compensation events are agreed between the client and contractor, and adjust the prices upwards or downwards depending on the nature of the change. So let's now explore the pros and cons of NEC option C. However, before I do, I wanted to tell you about Metroun Learning. Thousands of QSs just like you have used Metroun Learning to accelerate their careers, secure jobs, and meet formal CPD requirements. Head over to metroun.co.uk for courses that fit around your busy schedule. Pros of option C: encourages collaboration and transparency between client and contractor. Shared financial incentives drive performance and cost control. Early identification and management of risks through the pay and gain mechanism. Cons of option C: requires accurate cost forecasting and robust cost tracking systems. Can lead to disputes if costs aren't clearly defined or justified. Not well suited for clients seeking price certainty from the outset. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.